Hello everyone, this is Miss Clara and welcome to my channel. As I've recently traveled to Chiang Mai, I'd like to create a series of travel vlogs to introduce some Michelin-guide restaurants there that I'd like to recommend to you all. So without further ado, let's check it out now. Situated in an area filled with rice fields, Meena Rice Based Cuisine is a hidden gem in Chiang Mai suburb. It is an alfresco restaurant whose rustic decor gives off an approachable and calming vibe, making one feel welcomed and relaxed. Since Meena Rice Based Cuisine specializes in dishes with rice, and its 5-color rice bowl is a must-try, I ordered garlic pork with 5-color rice bowl, together with the riceberry herbal drink for lunch. Riceberry is a crossbreed rice and is grown primarily in northern Thailand. It has a strong savory and nutty fragrance with a dash of sweetness. Its brand is loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and health-promoting compounds, helping lower the risks of diseases. So with loads of benefits mentioned, remember to order one when you visit Meena Rice Based Cuisine. The Thai garlic pork is an irresistible dish. The garlic and white peppercorns give the pork a much stronger scent. The flavor is also enhanced by adding a little bit of soy sauce to all the ingredients that coat the pork. The pork is moist and aromatic, served with the 5-color rice bowl, which comprises riceberry rice, brown rice, butterfly pea rice, safflower rice, and jasmine rice. Garnished and decorated with fruits and edible flowers, it is definitely a healthy, beautiful, and palatable dish. Since Meena Rice Based Cuisine is situated in a suburb, the only downside is that it is difficult to grab a taxi back to the urban area on weekdays. But if you have your own car, or if you plan to visit there on Sunday when Cham Cham Market opens, transportation wouldn't be a problem. As I was waiting for a taxi for 45 minutes, I was glad to have been wandering along this picturesque road. Let's end this video by watching the serene scenery. Remember to stay tuned as I will introduce more recommended Michelin-guide restaurants later. See ya!